Greetings everyone, and welcome to the Skincare Review. My name is Sean Van Deveen, and I'm excited to discuss my 7-day challenge using the trial kit products from the cream brand Klairs. This was presented to me as a birthday gift, and when I initially unwrapped it, I knew this would be an amazing idea for a YouTube video. For all you animal-conscious consumers, everything in this package is vegan and cruelty-free. So, pull up a seat, sit back, and let's get into my take on this. The Klairs Skincare Trial Kit includes 4 mini-sized items. First, there's the Gentle Black Fresh Cleansing Oil for fresh cleansing and easy emulsification with 6 ingredients. Comes in a 30 milliliter bottle. Second is the Gentle Black Facial Cleanser, a mildly acidic cleanser for healthy skin. Coming in a 20 milliliter bottle, it's pH balanced, pore purifying, and it cleanses and refreshes. Third, we've got the Supple Preparation Unscented Toner. It's essential oil free, deep moisturizing, and it balances the pH level. Comes in a 30 milliliter bottle. Lastly is the Rich Moist Soothing Cream. With a 30 milliliter container, it replenishes moisture, it's gentle and soothing with no greasy finish. This is highly recommended for anyone who's new to the Klairs brand and is curious to try it out. It's also an excellent starter kit for anyone adopting a serious skincare regimen for the first time. For 7 days and nights, I cleansed, exfoliated, massaged, and hydrated the contours of my face with everything included. Unlike other brands I've tried in the past, Klairs seems to be a more wholesome, ritualistic experience. This is considered by many enthusiasts to be the rock star of self-care due to the clean, natural ingredients of their products. Whenever I see Amazon reviews, almost 95% of each individual item gets a 5-star rating. Furthermore, the fact that Klairs is vegan and cruelty-free only adds to their prestige. They first started business in the city of Seoul in 2009 and have gained a cult following ever since. They've heeded the requests from many of their patrons to remove essential oils and fragrances from their products and to make them affordable. The Klairs motto is simple but enough, mild but powerful, basic but ultimate. They only use the simplest ingredients to bring out the best in one's skin. Now, let's get into my 7-day results. So here I was at the start of the challenge. You'll notice the accumulation of acne on my forehead. That was from a previous challenge that I did, applying castor oil to my face. And I've made a video on that. And here's how I looked after 7 days. You'll notice the acne has cleared up a little bit. My skin looks more shiny and radiant, and I am just booming with self-confidence. Each time I exfoliated my face with a Gentle Black Fresh Cleansing Oil, it was easy to massage and rinse off. To remove excess makeup, pollutants, and lotions, it's essential to use a specifically formulated cleansing oil prior to any face wash. If you start your routine only with a facial cleanser, you will not properly eliminate unwanted substances from your skin. My impressions of this emulsifier: it's light and gentle, although I had the tendency to pour a fairly liberal amount onto my shower mitt. In fact, this was actually the first thing in my kit which ran empty. I tend to use a generous amount of facial cleanser each time I prepare my skin. However, I found I needed more of the cleansing oil in proportion with the Gentle Black Facial Cleanser. Nevertheless, this met my expectations. It removed unwanted particles, had no strong scent, and rinsed off clean. It aided to add a shiny glow to the texture of my cheeks, nose, chin, and forehead, containing sunflower seed oil, grapeseed oil, and jojoba oil. Simple yet effective, the Gentle Black Fresh Cleansing Oil gets a perfect 10 out of 10. Next in this lineup from Dear Klairs was the Gentle Black Facial Cleanser. Suitable for all skin types, all you need is a small amount to produce a rich lather. As I've mentioned, I tend to use a fairly liberal amount every time I use facial cleanser, but with this, however, a dime-sized quantity was highly effective in washing my face clean. The scent is not particularly strong, so I'd say this would be suitable for anyone with allergies. It's pH balanced with a rating from 5.5 to 6.5, so it's easy on the skin. This lathers well without any residue left to the face, containing extracts from black bean, blackberry, black truffle, and black cumin. A perfect addition to any skincare collection. In my books, the Gentle Black Facial Cleanser gets a 10 out of 10. The third step in this kit is the alcohol-free, supple preparation unscented toner. There's another toner from Dear Klairs on the market, the Supple Preparation Toner, that contains essential oils. In response to demands made from loyal brand followers, this was developed to exclude those botanicals. This was a sensual treat to my skin. As long as I massaged my face in an upward motion, the Supple Preparation Unscented Toner added the necessary gloss and moisture for the perfect, stunning look. A few splashes were all that I needed. This is pH balanced for sensitive skin, so it left no irritation. In fact, it soothed my face even more so than traditional aftershave. I shaved a couple of times during this challenge, and instead of using aftershave, I used this toner along with the Dear Klairs Rich Moist Soothing Cream. This is what really got me enthusiastic about Korean skincare in general, since it was a game changer. With infused anti-inflammatory ingredients, it's soft enough to use just after shaving, leaving no marks or irritation. Yup, the Supple Preparation Unscented Toner gets a 10 out of 10 from me. The Rich Moist Soothing Cream was the finishing touch to the skincare lineup. With a light citrus scent that's not overpowering, this uplifted my mood after every application. Even while this was served as the icing layer on my face, I was able to get a good night's sleep. I felt my skin barrier was well fortified with this, as it enhanced my fine lines and made me look less middle-aged. Suitable for all skin types, it relieves irritation, and when combined with a Supple Preparation Unscented Toner, makes an excellent aftershave alternative. Containing beta-glucan, centella asiatica, and ceramide, its simple yet effective formula makes it suited for all seasonal use. I have absolutely no complaints about this. Therefore, I give it a 10 out of 10. Overall, if you're new to skincare, or if you've never tried Dear Klairs before but really want to, the skincare trial kit is the ideal recommendation. There's just enough for morning and evening applications for 7 days. And when this challenge expired, I was left very satisfied. What gave me the ultimate impression, however, was how my cheeks reacted, or did not react rather, after putting on the Supple Preparation Unscented Toner and Rich Moist Soothing Cream after shaving. I was left so speechless to the point I made a YouTube short promoting Dear Klairs as an aftershave alternative. I encourage you to watch it. So there you have it, my personal review of the skincare trial kit from Dear Klairs, one of the best from Korea. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and a comment. And if you're new to my channel, why not subscribe? I have other skincare videos for those seeking knowledge and opinions on the subject. So I'll close by saying peace, much love, and namaste. Thanks for watching, and keep looking radiant and beautiful. Godspeed.